what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel one more time. This time I bring a new car. This is a GR Corolla. This is the new 3-cylinder all-wheel drive system. I love this car. I've been driving this car for 2 months probably now, and I've been enjoying it. I'm not gonna lie, I had a STI Subaru and I really miss driving an all-wheel drive system. Well, not anymore because now I have this car, and yeah, it is a lot of fun. The all-wheel drive system, the handling, it's amazing. But this time we're gonna install the K&N intake, and yeah, I'm gonna record all the procedures so you guys, if you want to do it, and we're gonna compare also the noise with the stock airbags and with the K&N intake, and let's see how both sound. We're gonna see if it increase the sound or it does not, if it's worth it, it's not worth it. Let's see. I'll let you know after we finish with the installation. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's go. Alright guys, so one more thing. Unfortunately my GoPro deleted some little sections of the video while I was installing the new intake. So pretty much I'm gonna tell you what is missing there. So right here, just miss the video, you got it tight. These two clamps, same thing. This one over here, when you install this pipe right here, make sure you connect your master flow sensor and the solenoid. Also make sure you connect the electrical. There's an electrical connector. It needs to be connected. It's not gonna do anything anymore, but it needs to be connected so you don't get a check engine light on. That's the two parts that I'm missing from the GoPro. You're probably gonna see that I skipped. I don't have those parts on the installation. Pretty much that's it. Don't forget to install this tube that comes with the kit that goes right here. That's very important. Also, you will get a check engine light on if you don't install that. That's is gonna try to compensate this little vacuum line that we install. We remove. Actually, let me turn my flashlight so you guys can see right there. Yeah, you see the little thing right here. Yeah, we remove the vacuum line that goes from here to the airbox, and that provides a K&N. So yeah, it's gonna compensate pretty much. It goes to the crankcase, and pretty much that's it. That's the part that unfortunately my GoPro lost part of my installation. And yeah, next we're gonna go see how this car sounds after installing this beauty. All right. That's how the car sounds with the stock intake. We'll see how the car sounds after we install the new intake. Pretty decent, huh? I like it. We'll see. We'll find out in a minute how it sounds with the new intake. From my side, it's super loud. I really love it. It doesn't matter what gear is the car. The noise is loud. I love it. I'm really gonna enjoy driving the car now. I'm gonna put on sport mode, see if the noise is a little louder. Yeah, I think on sport mode it's definitely louder. I like it. Super loud. Okay, now I'm with the window all the way up. That's how the intake sounds with all the windows up. I'm not sure you guys are gonna be able to hear, but I hear it's still loud. goes up. I love it. All right, that was nice. All right, I'm gonna try to drive a little bit so you guys can hear it. The wind noise, it's hard to hear after the fourth gear. If you see, I just give a little gas. I stay here on sixth gear. It's nice, I love it. Definitely this is a fun car. Really impressed with the K&N intake. I love it. I think it's worth it. Yeah, definitely I feel the car's more responsive, it runs better, a little torquey. My turbo is loud, can't complain. For $300, I don't know if the Adventure is really worth it paying $1,600 when a $300 intake can do the same thing. Alright guys, we have made it to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this K&N intake compared with the stock. Obviously it's loud, it sounds really good. I would like to also hear opinions about what you think between this one and the Adventure intake. Is it really worth it to spend $1,600 on an intake when they pretty much do the same thing? They both say that they will gain 18 extra horsepower. I can tell you, I'm not sure if my car gained those 18 horsepower because I will have to take it to the dyno, but I can feel the difference. Yeah, the car's torquey, it runs better. Yeah, it's very more responsive. I love it. Plus the sound is amazing. So the other intake, also the Adventure, says 18, around 18 plus. So spending the extra $1,600, I don't think is really worth it. At least for me, $300 made it work. I think it's amazing. The car runs amazing again. So I'm really happy with the result. You guys, let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, please be free. And I hope to see you the next time. Bye bye.